Hey there, welcome to this video about video editing and why less is more. As video editors, we all know the temptation to add all sorts of fancy effects to our projects. But is more really better? Today we're gonna explore why taking a simple approach to editing can actually make your videos more effective. Let's start by defining what we mean with less is more. The basic idea is that keeping things simple is often the best way to create elegant, polished and effective final product. Of course, everyone has their own way of editing, and as long as you are happy with the results, that's what matters the most. But in general, it's a good idea to avoid overdoing it with flashy effects and instead focus more on creating a clean and uncluttered design. This approach can help your audience stay engaged with your content and better understand your message. So why is simplicity so important in video editing? Basically, it all comes down to effective communication with your audience. By taking a simpler approach, you can help your audience focus on the content, rather than being distracted by flashy effects. In fact, sometimes a raw, unfiltered clip can be just as effective and good as a clean-looking clip. For example, using a handheld shot or leaving some camera shake in your video can make the viewer feel more connected with the moment, creating a really powerful emotional response. Of course, keeping things simple is not always easy, especially when it comes to editing wedding films or other complex projects. It can be tempting to add in lots of flashy effects and transitions to make it appear more polished, but often this can lead to an ineffective final product. Instead, take a step back, focus on the story you're trying to tell, and let the content speak for itself. A simple approach can lead to a more unique film that truly resonates with your audience. Another reason to embrace the principle of less is more is timelessness. Trends in video editing come and go, and overly stylized work can quickly become outdated. A simple approach can be more likely to stand the test of time and remain relevant and effective for years to come. Keeping things simple can also make your video editing more efficient. When you add too many effects, it can slow down the process and cause technical issues or problems like lags or errors. By sticking to a simple design, you can save time and concentrate on creating a better story. Using a simple approach can also help you keep your work consistent. When you use too many effects, it can make your work inconsistent and harder to create a cohesive style. Remember, just because we say less is more doesn't mean you can never use flashy effects in your videos. It's just as important to use them at the right time and in the right way. For example, if you want to make a clip look old or give that really nice vintage look, choose the right moment in your films to use those effects. The main idea is to use effects that improve your video without using too many effects that distract the viewer from the content. What does it mean for the story we tell and the music we use in the videos? Well, when it comes to storytelling, the most important thing is to connect with your audience. By telling a good story, you don't need fancy effects or editing tricks to make your story great. To create a video that is enjoyable and easy to understand, it's crucial to be organizing during the editing process. When you have a clear understanding of your footage and a structured plan for your shots, you can edit a more complex story. Being disorganized and not knowing where certain clips are in the folders can result in a messy and confusing final product. Choosing the right music is really important. It can help to create a mood and enhance the emotional impact of your video. When you are selecting music, make sure it matches the message that you're trying to tell. Instead of relying on fancy editing, use music to create the tone of your video. This will help you engage your viewers on a deeper level and leave a lasting impression. Remember that good storytelling and music selection are key to making a video that truly connects with your audience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, Give me a comment, like, subscribe, whatever, do the whole thing, and I will check you out in my next videos. Bye bye!